Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia if you're new to my channel. Today I will be sharing how I spring clean my master bedroom, and this video is part of a collaboration called Something for All Seasons that is hosted by Sherry from Pretty Simple Sherry and Christy from Inspired Living with Christy. For spring season, they wanted us to share our spring cleaning routine and tips and tricks that we might have with you guys. So I decided to share with you how I spring clean my master bedroom. The first step is I wash my duvet. I actually wash my duvet more often than just in spring, but it is a good time to wash it. So I remove it off my bed. It is super big and hard to fit into my washing machine, but it has to be done. And then I go ahead and remove the sheets. Now these sheets I have just put them on the other day, so I will not be replacing them. I sprinkle baking soda all over the bed and let it sit there while I do some other stuff. This just eliminates any smells and gives it a good clean feeling, I guess. Then I prepare water, and I usually do hot water, some vinegar, and lavender essential oil. I use this water to clean out all of my drawers and all of my dressers. It just gives them a nice fresh smell, and actually the smell stays for a couple weeks. At this time I also like to move the furniture out of the way and dust and wash the baseboards behind the furniture as well as the back of the furniture. It tends to get quite dusty. I don't do this step when I do my zone cleaning because it's a lot, and it's not really necessary to do it every 6-7 weeks. So I just do it at springtime. And this part takes the longest. I go through all of my clothes. I don't actually do like a KonMari method or anything like that. I just fold the clothes as I see fit and put them in. I do like the KonMari method, or way, but that's okay if I'm the only one putting stuff back. But sometimes my husband will put away laundry, and then it would just get, I could not expect him to fold the clothes that way. So I just do it the way I know that he will fold it and put it away as well. And this is a good time to declutter some clothes that you're not wearing or that they're worn out and get rid of them. I actually didn't get rid of too much because I do this every 6-7 weeks. So, but I did find a couple of different t-shirts to get rid of. And then I put everything back. Because I was doing this Friday into the Saturday, I also decided to give my furniture a good polishing, because Fridays are my Thursday and Fridays are my deep cleaning days. But the day before I didn't deep clean the room because I knew I was going to be spring cleaning it, so I left the dusting. I don't typically remove the window off, I just wipe the front of it, but since I am spring cleaning, I do the back of it as well. And for polishing, I use a Method wood polisher this time. And for glass cleaning, I use the Method glass cleaner. So now I've decided to vacuum the bed. I was doing things in sections, and I wanted to complete one section, so like the dresser, before I moved on to the other section, because I was worried that I was going to run out of time and I'm going to have to go somewhere. And so I didn't want it to be left a mess. I wanted to have each task completed before I moved on to the other one. After I was done vacuuming the bed, I move out my nightstand and declutter it, dust it, polish it, the whole thing. do the same thing for the big tall dresser as well. Go over all the clothes, dust everything. I show you most of the clothes. I don't actually show you how I fold my undergarments or my bras because I don't think that's really for anyone to see. This is my side of the bed, and my drawer always gets super messy. I use this drawer as a charging station, and I will actually link my video down below. It's how I organize this drawer. And I just keep all of my Apple Watch like bands and extra face covers here. I have some essential oils that I keep here for sleeping. I also keep my journals and my books, and I charge all of my phone and my watch there. Once I was done with my nightstand, I moved on to the curtains. I give these a quick wash. I just run it through a quick wash cycle just to refresh them, dust them, and give them a fresh smell. I also dust all the window frames and baseboards underneath it and give the windows a good wash. This is an electric fireplace, so it moves out, but it's super heavy, so I didn't want it to move out both sides, it's just one, and gave it a good vacuum and wipe down behind it as well. This vase has curly willows, I think that's what they're called, and I give them a good shower down in my shower just to dust them up. I also do the same thing for these dogwood balls that are on top of my fireplace. I just put them in a sink in my bathroom and give them a little rinse off just to dust them off. I also polish off my fireplace. The next thing that I do is I just move out my vanity and dust and vacuum the baseboards behind. I did recently redid this vanity and organized it and washed everything. I will link the video below just so you can see how I did that. And the last thing that I do is take all these pictures frames off and dust the shelves and then put them back it is all finished. I just have to put back my curtains once they're washed, put the sticks back in once they're dry, and as well as the boxwood balls that were in those bowls. And other than that, it's all finished. I did it over 2 days just simply because I didn't have enough time to do it all in one day. But it's such a good feeling when you walk into the room and it almost like it smells so much fresher because all that dust behind the furniture is gone, and it almost makes you feel like you can breathe so much better. Another thing is I did not show you how to clean this because I haven't quite figured out. There was a glove that came that I used to dust it, and I think that is probably enough. I don't think too much stuff can actually get inside of it because it is fairly tight on. I have decluttered some stuff, not too much. There's just some old perfumes that need to be thrown out and some clothes that I will be donating, and all of this stuff just needs to go downstairs because it does not belong here.